guys, welcome back to Breezy's Puffs. So today I'm going to be doing a wig review of a wig from Gorgeous. I've already reviewed 2 wigs from them, so I'm super excited to do this one. So this wig is marketed as the One Brush Stylist. It is a synthetic wig that uses premium style archive fiber. And it is marketed as having the best style memory and easier to brush features. So with only a brush, you should be able to retain the curls and retain the style of the wig. It also states that it's easier to brush than other fiber hair. It's heat resistant, and yeah, I'm excited because the wig that I got is like this red brownish auburn color, and I've always wanted to try that color, so I'm really excited. This specific wig is called the Vintage Red. And before I put this wig on, if you like it when you see it, my discount code is PSBreezy25. And the link to this wig will be down below. So I'm gonna take her out. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this is giving like Jessica Rabbit. Y'all, look at those curls. Holy moly, this is straight out of the bag. Let me get my brush. Let me get my brush. One Brush Stylist. Period. It's extremely easy to brush. I'm not getting any like tangles or knotting so far, and it looks like virgin hair, y'all. All right, so here's what the cap construction looks like. It has that breathable base, which is really nice. You could just stick your fingers in there and scratch your scalp if you need to. It has one comb in the back as well as an adjustable strap, and it's got a I don't exactly know what this is called, but it's got a part right here, and then it's got the lace all across the front. So, and it's also got 2 combs in the front as well. All right, so my base isn't the flattest, so she's a little small, but can we wait a minute? It said medium cap size. I would probably need a large, but that's honestly, that's for like most wigs for me. Is that I always need like a bigger size. 1, because my head is big, and 2, because of all the hair that I have to fit underneath, so yeah. All right, overall, I love this hair. It's bouncy. It definitely is super easy to style. So far, I've had minimal tangling, but this is a synthetic unit, so keep that in mind. But you can't even tell this is a synthetic unit. Like, look at how pretty. It's wild. And honestly, if I got this wig like, you know, slayed and laid by a stylist, you know, because I can't really like lay a wig like that, but imagine if I could, this would look even like better. Now I know I can rock red hair because this is cute. Like, this color is so freaking pretty. If I want to switch it up real quick, I can. Like, I feel like a baddie. I feel like a biddy. It's got like curtain bangs built in. You could put it in a ponytail. Y'all, the styles that you could do with this wig are endless. Ooh, imagine like a cute claw clip moment. That would be really cute. And here's another way you could wear it too. It does not have any other parting space, but you could wear it like the flip over method. This is super cute. Like, all right, y'all, that is it. Like, I I'm loving this wig. I'm loving this color. And if you're interested in this wig, check out the link down below. Don't forget the promo code. And yeah, y'all, if you like this video, make sure to leave a like and a comment down below on what you thought. It really helps me out. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video on me. Follow me on all my socials. And without further ado, y'all, I will see y'all in the next video.